Give me a resume. Gopika R. Okay, Gopika, tell me about yourself.
Hi ma'am, I'm Gopika from Thiruvannamalai. I have completed my BE EEE Engineering in University College of Engineering Arni at Tachur, and I have completed my both schooling in Government Higher Secondary School Mansurabad, and I currently doing my Java full stack course in Code99 Academy in Valacheri, and I'm strong in front end language and back end language. In front end, I know HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and with this knowledge, I have done three basic projects. First one is clone website, which is a pet accessory website, and second one is my own website for extinction animal and endangered animal documentary, and another one is my own portfolio. Ma'am, I have done both this project with the help of HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, and I am currently learning about Java in backend. In backend, I have done a console program for hotel hotel managing. I have done this project for my understand my knowledge in looping concept and to learn more about them. That's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. Your base is triple E, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you can switch IT, Gopika?
To my career growth, and I love to work with programming language, and I am interested in Java and Python.
Okay. How rate yourself at Java?
I rate myself in Java for 3 ma'am, because I'm a beginner in Java language. I'm started to learning the basic and hoops cards like now, ma'am. So I rate myself 3.2.
Okay, good. Shall we move for technical?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Okay, tell me what is Java?
Java is a high-level programming language which is user-friendly. Why I am saying it user-friendly? Because both a human and machine can understand the Java, and it is an object-oriented programming language, but not 100%, because in Java we have vapor class and primitive data types and static keyword. Static keyword, we don't, it is doesn't depend on object and primitive data type also. So we say Java is not 100% object oriented, and it is a platform independent but JVM dependent. Each Java program will execute based on the Java bytecode, and JVM can run any platform. So we say Java is a platform independent, and next it is a secured language because we don't have a pointer concept in Java. Pointer concept means we don't access the data directly. We have to use the object, so it is safe and secure. So next is a multi-thread. It is robust because it multi-thread, and it is portable because we use JVM, so we can run anywhere, and it will execute in two times, compile time and run time. In compile time, Java it checks the syntax and the structure of the Java code, and in runtime error it will check the logical of the code.
Okay, good. What is the narrowing in Java?
Narrowing is a part of primitive data type, and primitive is part of typecasting. Ma'am. Typecasting means it converts one data type into another data type. Ma'am. Typecasting have two types: primitive and non-primitive. Narrowing is a one type of primitive data type. Narrowing means we can convert large range of data type into short range of data type. Ma'am.
Okay, you can write a syntax for narrowing. Okay. What is main method?
Main method is a method which is mandatory in Java, ma'am. It has happened when after the Java 8 program, each Java class must have one main method, ma'am. And also main method must be static because we don't have a object to access the method, so it must be in static, and also it must be in void, ma'am, because we don't return a value to the method because we call the method inside the main method.
Okay. Good. What is global area and local area in Java?
Okay, ma'am. Global area defines the area which inside the class block, ma'am, and if we don't initialize a value for a variable, it takes its default value according to the data type. And in global area we can declare a variable. If we want to declare a variable without initialization, we must use static keyword. If we declare and initialize in a global area, we don't have to use static keyword. And next is global area. Global area is an area present within a method bracket other than the class area, ma'am. And in local area we must declare and initialize. We can't declare only, ma'am, because it doesn't take the default value.
Okay, good. Tell me about what is the another name of for and while?
Ma'am, for loop is a loop. If we know the number of iteration, we can use the for loop. If we don't know the number of iteration, we can use the while loop, ma'am. And the difference between is the for and while loop means while loop is a start level looping, and for loop is a conditional looping, ma'am.
Okay, good. Tell me, write a syntax for I need to run all the three loop in infinity time. How?
So this is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So if in for loop the initialization and condition and increment is non-mandatory, we can also give the for loop without this. So if the condition is not false, the loop will continue in infinity time. If I put the print statement within the block, it will run infinity time. So next, while and do while loop means while loop execute according to the boolean value which give the condition. If I directly give the boolean value true, it will run infinity time, because it does not change to false. Do while will also do the same. First it will execute, then we put a true boolean value inside the condition of the while, it will execute infinity time.
Okay, good.